how to increase spending limit on Instagram ads. So if you want to increase your spending limit on your Instagram ads, then what you need to do is open up your Instagram. After opening, go with your profile. Go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And here you need to scroll down and you will have orders and payments section. Or if you don't find the option, then you can also go and search for it. But you'll find the option right here, orders and payments. You need to tap on it. Once you tap on it, here you'll have your payment information. So you can go with credit or debit card or any other options in order to add your payment method. So go with credit or debit cards and add a payment method. But if you don't see the limit feature or the payment method doesn't offer the limit feature, if you don't see the option, you can go to help and support request to remove your limit by searching for a limit. You can go back and tap on help. And from help, you need to tap on help center. And here you can just simply go with the search bar and search for limit. You'll see a list of options search for spending limit. If you prefer to keep a spending limit, that is your choice. If you want to completely remove the spending limit, go to the account center and then you can go with the Meta Pay and navigate to the payment methods to remove the limit. Simply choose the payment method you want to remove the limit for and remove the payment method and your limit will be removed. Or if you want to increase your spending limit, I think that is not possible or we don't have that option on our Instagram. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.